My family had been in the restaurant and catering business for most of my life, so naturally when we started thinking of things to do, restaurant sales quickly came to mind, and we had stumbled upon somebody else who did something similar to what we did, who had just gone out of business. So we took advantage of that opportunity, kind of picked up where they had left off, and started selling to restaurants, just door to door, competing against some of the big distributors, repacking black pepper from a big 50-pound box to a 16-ounce container. We quickly grew in that area, and people started approaching us to do their custom blends and even their packaging of small units that they wanted to then turn around and sell in a retail application. So as we started pursuing that business and growing in that area, we bought some recipe books. We developed our own recipes of Cajun spice, lemon pepper, fajita seasonings, and then people coming to us with their unique blends. In the packaging business, we realized quickly that we need to put lot codes, date codes, best by, any type of miscellaneous information that we need to print on a container, on a box, and something like that. We had used other products that we had found very unreliable. They weren't giving us the flexibility and versatility that we needed. And Paul, he's a genius when it comes to the equipment. He can build anything from a bowl of nuts into something that we can use on our lines and make us completely more efficient. He's very good like that. So he's the one who introduced us to Colorado Scale, who introduced us to Hitachi. We told him we were struggling with our current printers. He allowed us to demo the product for a little bit of time, and we found that the product was just unbelievably more efficient for us than other products we had used in the past. So we quickly became Hitachi users, committed to them, loyal to them. I don't think we'd ever consider using another product in here.
Because of how diverse we are in what we do, the printers very rarely stay in one location more than a day. And then they're trying to pick up the print head and push it around in a cart, and of course the obvious happens. The Hitachis, even on an impact, they don't go out of alignment. I have not had to do a jet alignment. On all the other printers I have. I don't even have to go set printers up anymore. They're all done by the people on the floor. Much more simple than any of the printers I've worked with before. The operator interface on some of the ones I had was so convoluted, it was just extremely hard to explain any of that information to somebody else. All of the work that I've done on the Hitachis, it's all preventative maintenance. It's not repair. Every other printer I have in this house, I've had to do repair work, not maintenance.
I believe they've been very consistent and reliable. They've helped us out of a couple situations. We had a customer that needed additional print information on the bag, and the Hitachi was versatile enough to step in and add that information to an existing bag so that they did not have to recall or repackage or redo any of that product, saving them, saving us a lot of time and money. And we really can specifically tie that to the Hitachi machines. Had we not had those, that would have been a much different outcome.